Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. I also give you tips in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scenic portrait. Let's begin. We have PowerPoint open. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, and I'm going to select an oval. Just get it the proper size here. Back into Insert, select another shape, a rectangle. Just going to cover the whole slide. I'm going to go right click, send to back. Now select both objects, the background and this oval, by hitting shift and then the left mouse key. Go shape format. Go into this merge tool and go combine. I'm going to change this to black. Shape fill, black. Shape outline is going to be yellow. And I'm going to make it a weight of 3. And then I'm going to go into shape effects, bevel. I'm going to select this bevel, the cutout. Now import your picture. Go insert, pictures, this device. And I'm going to choose the mountain. Insert. I'm going to send it back, like so. And now you can adjust that mountain to get a certain image of it. So I think in my case here, I'm going to leave it like that. And also now select both images, shape format, and group them. Okay. So now you have this picture. You can go save as picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching.